Now, your eyewitness weather forecast.
And a happy Wednesday evening to you all. I'm meteorologist Jordan Reed, tracking another moderating trend heading our way. But before we get to that, we do have a few rain and snow showers to get through during the overnight hours as we take a live look at the Utica Public Library right now. Of course, sunset isn't for almost another hour, but we do have a veil of clouds out there right now, so that's making it mainly overcast. No precipitation yet here in downtown Utica, but that's a bit of a different story, especially as you go through portions of Herkimer as well as Hamilton counties, where we do have a little bit of light snow, but most of that is being eaten up by the dry air because we do have an area of high pressure up toward our north. That's what's been keeping things cooler today. That also, this stationary front and this low riding along it kept the warm air at bay, as I was telling you yesterday, down toward the south today. And that low pressure over the Ohio Valley will travel in our direction up toward the north and east, and that's going to throw those rain and snow showers, especially to the south of the Mohawk Valley as we get through the overnight hours. So let's time that out here with our futurecast again. There's that snow up through Hamilton County at 6 or 7 o'clock, and then by the time we get toward and after midnight, the snow showers, those will come to an end. We'll just be left with mostly cloudy skies. Temperatures during the overnight hours into the 30s, and then we'll start with mostly cloudy skies during the day tomorrow, but we do see an increasing amount of sunshine as we head through the afternoon. Still mostly cloudy though, but there will be a few peaks of sunshine here and there, and then definitely more sunshine as we head through Friday. But the good news is that temperatures will respond to that little bit of sunshine that we see out there tomorrow. So we'll start the day with temperatures into the lower and middle 30s out there, and then as we head through the early to mid-afternoon, temperatures will top out into the middle and upper 40s, and if not, the low 50s out there, although the warmer weather will be kept toward the west of the Interstate 81 corridor. You could see middle to upper 50s there over other portions of central New York. But as we head through tomorrow night, we have a couple of celestial events to tell you about. One of them is the International Space Station flyby. That'll be occurring between 8:39 and 8:43 p.m. It'll appear in the southwestern sky and disappear up toward our north and east because of the direction that it's traveling, and its maximum height will be approximately 80 degrees above the horizon. So that's the first thing to watch out for. And then the other thing is the lunar eclipse that'll occur in the early hours of Friday morning. That's because the Earth is in between the moon and the sun, and the Earth casts its shadow onto the moon. So you'll look for that at around 2:59 a.m. is when the peak eclipse occurs, but it technically starts at 12:55 a.m. and continues until 5:05 a.m. That's again early on Friday morning. So something to look forward to. The other thing to look forward to is the warming temperatures. It's mainly dry tomorrow with a lot of clouds, 47 degrees, so still above average, even more so as we head through Friday with an increasing amount of sunshine. Overall, a nice day at 57 degrees for the high. Saturday is the St. Patrick's Day parade, both here in downtown Utica or if you're going over to Syracuse. And for both of those, it does look warm with temperatures in the middle and lower 60s. And then Sunday is warm as well, just wet with temperatures in the mid 60s that day. And then we get back into the 40s and 50s next week.
All right, Jordan, thank you for that. Coming up next